You can send a photo or video that will disappear on WhatsApp after the recipient has opened it and exited the media viewer. Once they exit the media viewer, the media will no longer be visible in that chat, and they can't view it again. View once photos and videos won't be saved to the recipient's photos or gallery, and they can't forward them. I recently received a photo from my friend, and I was able to see it only once. And I was crazy that how did he do it? About the View Once feature, WhatsApp said that it wants to give users more control over their privacy. However, when WhatsApp introduced the feature, it also warned users about sending View Once media to only trusted contacts. This is because the View Once media feature is not supported by a screen detection feature. Meaning, you will never get to know whether the recipient has taken a screenshot of your media or not. Not only screenshots, but the media can also be recorded using a screen recorder, and the person can also use a secondary device to capture your media and share it to any other person. First things first, to get the View Once feature, you will have to first update WhatsApp to the latest version from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. If you have the latest version, that's perfect. 2. After updating the app, open WhatsApp. 3. Now, open any chat window to whom you want to send the media. 4. Take an image or video to send to that person. You can also select media from gallery too. 5. Now when you select a media, you will see a small circle on the dialog box with one written inside it. 6. Tapping on the one circle enables the View Once media. 7. Now tap on Send. The media will be sent as one circle photo or video. Hooray! You have sent the media as Send Once. To see if recipients have seen the media or not, select the message, and then click the eye icon at the top. When you click it, a new window will show you whether that message has been opened or seen by the recipient. The feature works on the group as well. Send the media using the above-mentioned steps. Notably, if someone does not open the message for 14 days, the media remains on the chat box for those many days. However, after the completion of 14 days, the media will expire automatically. WhatsApp has said that the View Once media is protected by end-to-end encryption, so even WhatsApp cannot see them, as is the case with the personal messages. We hope you were able to complete the process perfectly, and if you still have any doubts, feel free to ask in comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.